Effects of acid rain. Friends, now we see effects of acid rain. Number 1. Acidity of soil and water bodies increases due to acid rain. Number 2. Acid rain harms the aquatic organisms, plants, and entire forest life. The total ecosystem are adversely affected by acid rain. Number 3. Erosion of buildings, statues, historical monuments, bridges, metal idols, wire fences occurs due to acid rain. Number 4. Heavy metals like mercury and cadmium are absorbed by plants and enters in food chain indirectly due to acid rain. Number 5. Due to acidification of water in water bodies and pipes, leaching of metal and plastic material occurs in water, and due to this serious health problem arises. Friends, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.